Today's video we're gonna play Field Trip C, so let's go. Okay, so I'm the driver, guys. I'm the drivers. Don't be the drivers. I'm the drivers. I'm the drivers. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Come on, come on. No, yes. Come on, no, 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 don't fall. Don't fall. The bacon fall. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm safe. Oh, okay. Okay, let's wait until we load into the game. Okay, who is this? Teacher, welcome student to your first day of Robloxian High School. My name is Miss Karen. Bruh, you're the Karen, I hate that name. There are tons of... Okay, this is your classroom. We'll be studying here soon. Good luck and remember, don't break any rules. Schools. Okay. Let's open all the lockers. Okay. Oh, the donut. Yummy. Bondage. Wait, I put the bondage. Remember that. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, medkit. Wait, why we will need a medkit? For what? For nothing, right? Oh wait, another medkit. Two medkit. Okay, let's go. So we'll sit in here. Whoop! Nagugutom ako. Okay, go to class. We need to go to class to get a good future. Come on, sit. Go sit. Why can I sit? Okay. Okay. I have two donuts in here. And I have bandage. I don't know what to use. And I had medkit. 5 medkit. Come on, this is so long, teacher. Teacher, can we eat lunch? Because we didn't eat lunch at home. Okay. Please find your seat. Oh my god. I just sit. Oh my god. Ah. Mama, yeah, my zombie. Bruh, zombie doesn't exist. This is just a normal game. School story. Wait. Field Trip Z. Wait. Why in the title there's a Z? Bruh. Zombie doesn't exist. The image is just it's just fake. You know? Blessing on your best behavior, turn your back up. Okay, you want some dance steps? Wait. Okay. Bacon, go back to your seat. The teacher is coming back. Okay. Oh no, don't get your costume. No. Oh, wait. The last bacon ever. Meron ditong apat na bacon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sila na ang last na apat na bacon. Kasi yung ibang bacons wala na. Wala na. Oh, si ano. What is next? Okay, let's go. Okay. Bro, you're going outside? I see. Okay. Where are you going? Okay, open the door. Now. Open the door. Click the door. Click the door. Come on. Bruh, baka not even open it. Okay. I am the first. Me first. Let me get that. Okay. Okay, bibigay ko to para lang sa burger. Gusto ko lang burger. Bibigay ko to sa principal. Bibigay ko to sa principal. Bibigay ko to sa principal para sa burger. Itong love letter. Ito. Sasabihin niya saan to nang galing. Saan ko ilalagay ito? Dito. Come on. Ito tayo. Ayaw. 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 Okay, yan. Yan na. Lalagay ko na. Piniklik ko na. Hello. Go to history class. Lagay nyo na. Bilis. Oh my God. But why? Come on. Okay, too late. No, I'm not going to class until I get this. Until I got the burger. Come on. Ayaw mabigay sa kanya. Come on, 7 more seconds. Ayaw po mabigay, sir. Ma'am, akin na lang po itong burger. Hindi ko malagay eh. Akin na lang ito. Ano nini, ha? Okay. Alert, zombie. Zombie doesn't access your radio. Oh, wait, did I touch it? No! Oh! Come on. Bakit tuwang? Patak ko na lang sa labo. Tulog ka na? Sige, tulog ka na. Tulog ka na, pusa. Tulog ka na? Tulog ka na? May tulog ka na, naantok ka pa eh. Hindi ka ba tutulog? Naantok ka pa? Tulog. Okay. Saan sila? Iniwan niyo agad ako. Lang na. Ito, police. Bye-bye. Ano ba pwede yung walis bawal? Sorry na po. Ika, may second pa. Pwede ko ito ilagay dun. Tapos babalik ako dito. Tapos bibigyan mo sa akin yung burger sa akin. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so, ganun pala. Okay, punta na ako doon. Okay, kailangan ko lang magtrabaho. Okay. Okay. I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay, correct. Anybody work out! Anybody work out! Where's the janitor? Bro, it's not a delivery truck. Bro, you're late. You're late. It's already night. It's already night. You look. Janitor boss. Hello, kitty cat. Tutulog na naman yun ah. It's the janitor! We need to find a place to hide. Get to the bathroom. Where? Where's the bathroom? Can we get this door? I know, you cannot. Ah! Wait, there? I was in there. Okay, there's a bathroom. Hey, get out! I'm pooping. Okay. 4 hours later. I don't think the science teacher is dead. Is alive. Or what are we going to do? I don't know. Escape? Ah! Yo, is that donut Dave? Yo, if I give you a donut because you're donut Dave, would you accept my donut? Or you eat it? What the? Accept my donut. You want a donut? Brah! Okay. Go to town. No, I don't want to go to this one. I don't know. I wanted to go to town because I want to see my father. Oh wait, is my father in here? No. Yo, where's my weapon? Bro, where's my weapon? It's gone. Bro, my weapon is gone. What should I do? I should reset. I will restart again. Goodbye. We have 1 life left? Huh? Wait, there's a revive in this game? Are know that, bruh. Okay. Oh my god, it's taking so long. Okay, let's go. My weapon's back. But I'm in school. Bro, where's my burger? Where's my burger? Nothing here. Oh my god, I just my burger. My burger! Ah! Where's my burger? Where's my burger? Where's my burger? Where's my Oh no! Don't let me stop me! Okay, that was close. Jump! Ah! 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 No, I don't want to die in this video. No. Okay, guys, I think it's good. Okay. Okay, the video's done. My God. Okay.